afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. Welcome to my channel. Hubby and I have a trip tomorrow to go again. It's not my fault. It's all him. Talk to him. Don't talk to me. So I need to wash this hair of mine. It very much needs to wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, set it for the night, and then tomorrow I will curl it. I like to check in on you guys. How are you doing? If you're going to school, how's school? If you're going to work, if you gotta work, how's work? If you don't gotta work, how's that going? How are you doing? If you work from home like me, how is that going? If you do all three, if you work, go to school, I don't know. How are you doing? How is your mental? How are you feeling physically, mentally, and emotionally? And spiritually. Let's not forget that. How are you feeling? Okay. Well, just let me know. Text me if you have my number, or you can link me on Instagram. And if you need a prayer request, just let me know, okay? I'll be praying with you and for you. These are all the things I use to wash my hair, right? I need to get the shampoo and the conditioner for this. But then I'm hearing that the shampoo for this is really, really good. So I'm gonna probably get this shampoo. But this is a whole system. This is a balanced moisturizing. So right now my hair needs moisture, so I'm going to be giving it all the moisture. So this is a moisture shampoo, moisture conditioner, just low on moisture. This is supposed to give it moisture. So we're doing a whole thing tonight. Hopefully water not gonna left me before we can finish this. So I'll talk to you guys as I go ahead and do this, okay?
Okay. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day, in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
So I'm gonna use my Nairobi. I'm going to use argan oil. I think that's it. I was wondering if I should use some of the hair and scalp moisturizing hair dressing. I know I said it's when the hair is dry, so I'm not using that. So I'm doing what I see my hairdresser do. I put in some leave-in conditioner in there already. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in some oil. Poured way too much oil. Just spraying in my oil does not work. So I see my hairdresser do this. And she did that, and she did that. You know, that's SpongeBob. And you did this, and you did that, and you did that. So one of the gratitude for today that I have, I'm really thankful for the lady that comes and helps with our babies. Just call it their nanny, okay? Just call it their nanny because she's here every day. So I'm grateful for her. I'm grateful for, listen, she makes my load so much easier. Like, she washes, put the clothes in the washing machine. She puts her clothes in the washing machine for me, and she hangs it out and stuff like that. So really and truly, my load right now in life is really, really light because of her. And it's because of my husband through her. So let's not forget that part. It's because of my husband. The hair, I did my best with the molding. I don't normally really mold my hair like that. But I did my best. I did my best. Over here isn't perfect. I was trying to get it out more, but like I lost hair over here. So the hair over here is much more than the hair over here. Or she cut it. I don't know. I don't really know. But all I know is that over here is thinner than over here. But we work with what we have to work with, right? Right. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Guys, I don't know how my storage is going to work. I have to go pack. I don't know if I'm taking you guys with me. I don't know if you guys are bored of my little outings. But yeah, I can't go pack. So I'm gonna put on my do-rag because that's how I keep my hair down, is I put my do-rag on and I call it a night. I put it inside out so that this part doesn't creases. That's what I put it on. I call it a night. AJ, excuse. It's mommy and daddy's chair.
I was down, but now I'm this all God, this ain't no. I used to be stuck in that. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm I was down, but now I'm this all God, this ain't no. I used to be stuck in that. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm I was down, but now I'm gotta make it boom, boom, gotta make it boom, gotta make it boom, 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 boom. I was down, but now I'm gotta make it boom, boom, gotta make it boom, gotta make it boom, boom, gotta like my name Lazarus, no Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark. Good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talk about a man, grew up in woodwork.
You don't look like certain photos.
I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm it's all God, this ain't no. I used to be stuck in it. Where's you? Who Who the little guy making?
Hey guys, hey. Do you see where the man carried us? We're in Riu Negril, okay? You believe so? I flat ironed my hair and everything this morning, and my hair looks like nothing touched it. And now I'm gonna have to go back through my hair with flat iron. So how do you guys feel? We are in the grill. We are in the grill. We're in Rio. I've never been to Rio, okay? Listen, when I say, oh, that girl, people like her shit, she's never been anywhere. If it had not been for my husband and the Lord, who is by my side, I would not be here, okay? So yes, I have not been here. Leave me, let me go on like 7 minutes, I've gone over before. Leave me, okay? So, listen, our room, love the room, right? Love to swim up. But we are at the end of the resort. When I say the end of the resort, we're at the end of the resort. And we had to walk. And my husband and I have been in pain because of gym. So, it was a really hard walk. But I'm gonna curl this hair back and then we're gonna go and go get some food. So, may talk to now. I will talk to you guys. We're about to enjoy ourselves. I don't know if I have much storage to bring you guys along the trip with me, but I'm gonna do my best, okay? Alright. This is the outfit of the night. Have you seen me in it already? Yes, you have. But remember my motto, it's my clothes. I wear it however many times I want to, right? Right, yeah man. Furthermore, I have a box of clothes outside in the car, but the box is too heavy to carry everything inside. And we're only here until Sunday. So, yeah, another time you'll see that. But this is the outfit of the night. We're going out for something to eat. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Why dessert? I got something there. No order for me.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning, yeah.
Yeah. I appreciate it so much.
Boy, I'm blessed. What you mean? I got breath in my lungs, don't you see? Boy, I'm blessed. What you mean? I got breath in my lungs, don't you see? Boy, I'm blessed. What you mean? I got breath in my lungs, don't you see? Boy, I never had a Bentley or a Lambo. I never had.
We're gonna introduce eucalyptus oil. Are you guys allergic? No. Alright, it helps to open your nasal passage while you're lying face down so you can breathe better. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in and out. We're going to use a warm towel on the bottom of your feet to enhance your relaxation. Temperature is good? Yes. Temperature is okay?
Yes, it is.
Cleaning will begin now. Any discomfort, please let us know. Okay. We have now completed the last section of your massage. Could you raise your heads from the cradle? You're going to shuffle your body down on the bed and then turn over on your back. We're going to remove the covering from your eyes and welcome you to the end of your treatment. Adjust your eyes to the lighting. Hope you had an excellent experience with us. Thank you for making it Renova Spa. And it was a pleasure. How was it for both of you?
Good. I would say I would have liked a little bit more pressure. So I think that the tissue would have been the best.
Was it better for you? Okay.
But overall, it was a good thing.
And thank you both for coming. We'll leave now to allow your privacy so you can get dressed. We'll come back to the spa in a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Do some blind stretches. Just hang your legs before you get above the bed so you can regain your balance.
Okay.
Alright.
Hey guys, hey, so it's like days after the Rio trip. Please forgive me. We didn't talk much. I didn't talk much. We didn't talk much. And the reason for that was because I was just living in the moment, because it's like an experience. You don't know if you don't know when you're gonna get it again. And I just wanted to live in the moment with my husband so much. And I was in a lot of pain and a lot of discomfort from gym. So the walking up and down was a lot for me, and I was in a lot of discomfort. So yeah, also I wasn't sure how storage was going to work out, and I didn't want, because say the storage didn't work out, I was going to be upset all weekend because I can't get to vlog. So I just stayed in the frame of mind that I just want to enjoy this trip with my husband. I showed you guys a little bit, not much. We didn't really do much. Honestly, we rested. We stayed in our room majority of the time. We stayed in the swim house We just enjoyed each other's company. That's what we did. So you guys didn't really miss much. You didn't miss much. But Riu Negril owes us absolutely nothing. Okay? Time was had at Riu Negril. And if we get a chance to go back, we will go back again. One thing I will say though, the pictures are expensive. So the first night that we got there, there was this guy that was taking pictures of us. His name is Frank. Frank took the most beautiful pictures of my husband and I, and my husband by himself. And when I went to go look on the pictures, and when I went to go find out how much the pictures were, they were like $20 per picture. I was like, and I chose, I don't remember how much pictures I chose. Everything came up to like $43,000. Hobby and I did the sunset photo shoot. Guys, when I tell you the pictures were beautiful, they were beautiful. But after reasoning with hubby, so everything came up to $44,000 because I was like, yo, it's hard. It was 16 pictures for $44,000. I thought that was a lot of money. Hobby thought that was a lot of money. I wanted to spend it because these pictures would have been memories. But my husband talked to me and he talked some sense into me and he was like, you know what? I don't think that's the best thing to do. If you want a sunset photo shoot, tell me and I'll book a sunset photo shoot and we'll do a sunset photo shoot and everything and whatever. But it's just like those were memories. Those are memories from Rio. But it's better to be wise than to be stupid and to go spend all that money. So although I really wanted the pictures, I didn't want to spend that much money. So yeah, but you guys didn't miss anything at all. Honestly, we chilled, we slept, we ate. We came back to the room because we didn't go in the other pools. We didn't go on the pools on the property. There were like 4 pools. There was one nearby our room, one general, another one, and then a kids pool. We didn't go over there. We stayed in our pool. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. I think for this, you guys may not be seeing much vacation vlogs from me right now. Even if we do go on vacation, you guys may not see anymore because I want to switch up the content. So I have a bunch of Shein new clothes, a big box of Shein clothes, and I'm gonna give you guys a haul, and I'm gonna be decluttering. So things that I'm not wearing right now, I'm gonna be taking them out and probably giving them away and decluttering, making space for the new stuff. So stay tuned for those videos. I have a lot of videos that I have in mind, so hopefully I can execute them and I can edit them and post them. All right, so please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. So I'll talk to you guys in another video. Have a great day. Bye.